Black beans, the 97-year-old doctor's secret to longevity. Hello, it's great to see you again on Clever Tricks. Can you believe it? My grandmother is 97 years old, still healthy and sharp every day, and all thanks to a super simple black bean dish. This recipe comes from a traditional Chinese medicine practitioner with over 50 years of experience, and is a recipe that helps increase blood circulation, improve digestion, and support reproductive health. This dish is especially recommended for the elderly or those with weak health, helping the body stay healthy and the mind refreshed every day. Let's get started. The recipe is so simple you'll be surprised. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Prepare the amount of black beans you need. First, remove any damaged, cracked, or shriveled beans. Black beans bring countless benefits to health and beauty, especially for women's skin. Black beans contain 9 essential amino acids which help moisturize the skin, prevent aging, and stimulate collagen production, thereby reducing wrinkles and increasing elasticity. If you use them regularly, your overall health will improve. Your face will look fresher and younger. Black beans also help lower blood pressure in the elderly because they are low in sodium, but rich in calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all of which help lower blood pressure naturally. After cleaning, put the beans in a bowl. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now pour water to wash the beans. Rinse several times until the water is clear. Use your hands to gently rub to remove dirt and impurities that are still stuck on the shell. For people with weak kidneys, black beans help strengthen kidney function and support bone and joint health because they contain nutrients necessary for bone formation. According to traditional Chinese medicine, the elderly or people with weak bodies should eat black beans regularly to maintain vitality and life force. After washing, soak the beans in water for 1 to 2 hours. Add enough water to cover the beans. Do not soak for more than 2 hours, because if soaked for too long, the nutritional composition will change, making them no longer suitable for this recipe. After soaking, you will see the beans soften and swell. The soaking water will be black, and this is the extremely valuable part. This water helps nourish the kidneys, nourish the blood, support physiology, and improve digestion. In addition, it also helps the internal organs become more flexible and healthy. You can use this water to cook or drink directly. Now, prepare a pan. Heat it over high heat. Then, put the soaked beans in to roast. You will hear a sizzling sound. That is because the beans are still moist. Use chopsticks or a spoon to stir continuously so that the beans dry evenly, avoiding burning. Don't skip this step. After a while, the strong aroma of roasted beans will spread throughout the kitchen. If possible, roast on a wood stove instead of an electric stove or gas stove, because the natural fire helps the beans absorb more yang energy. Continue stirring even when the beans are still moist. When the beans start to dry, reduce the heat. Black beans are very good for the heart thanks to their fiber. Vitamin B6, folic acid, and potassium, which help protect the heart and blood vessels from bad cholesterol. Beans also contain vitamin B6 and zinc, which are extremely beneficial for healthy, shiny hair. When you start to hear a crackling sound, the beans are done. At this point, the rich roasted aroma will be more pronounced. Gently squeeze the beans with your hands. If the shells crack slightly, they are done. Don't take them out right away. Let them cool in the pan. While waiting for it to cool, prepare a clean glass jar. Steam sterilize it for 15 minutes. Make sure it is dry, no water or oil. Then, put the roasted black beans in the jar. Only fill it 1/3 to 1/2 full because the beans will expand when soaked. Now, prepare the vinegar. Any type will work, but naturally fermented vinegar is best. I usually use apple cider vinegar. Pour enough vinegar to cover the beans, twice as much as the amount of beans, so that when the beans absorb the water and expand, there is still enough vinegar. Where are you watching from? Leave a comment. Then, cover the jar tightly and place it in a cool place, away from sunlight for about a week. After a week, open it up and see. The beans have expanded a lot. At this point, they have become a valuable natural remedy with many great health benefits. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Black beans contain a lot of glycinin, which helps reduce bad cholesterol. In addition, fatty acids such as linoleic, linolenic, and lecithin help soften and dilate blood vessels, increasing healthy blood circulation. The Japanese Institute of Biology has proven that black beans soaked in vinegar effectively reduce blood fat. Research also shows that eating black beans soaked in vinegar for 8 weeks helps reduce blood fat in more than 80% of participants. Another study with 60 people with high blood pressure also noted that eating black beans soaked in vinegar significantly reduces blood pressure. Not only that, this remedy also helps improve chronic constipation, back pain, leg pain, diabetes, prostate, premature gray hair, coronary artery disease, and many other problems. Black beans also help prevent vision loss thanks to the anthocyanin content, an antioxidant that is good for the eyes. Try preparing black beans this way and eat them every day. Eat 9 beans in the morning and 9 more beans before going to bed at 9 to 9:30 p.m. in the evening. If you have a weak digestive system, you can warm the beans before eating or mix them with a little honey. Eating black beans every day helps you sleep better, wake up refreshed, and your body is full of energy. Although you won't see the effect right away, if you maintain it regularly, you will clearly feel your vitality and flexibility returning. In addition to the beans, the vinegar water is also extremely valuable. It helps clean the blood vessels because dirty blood often accumulates in them, making the blood thick and circulating slowly, helping blood circulate normally again, reducing the risk of stroke. This vinegar thins the blood. Not only that, it also enhances memory and prevents Alzheimer's. Black beans soaked in vinegar help improve blood circulation, bringing comprehensive health to the body. You don't need to believe it right away. Try it yourself and feel the change in yourself compared to the present. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find it useful, please like, share with relatives and friends, and subscribe to the channel to support. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you in the next video.